In this video, we are going to look at arithmetic progressions, which is also known as linear sequence. So let's say we have a set of sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and it goes on. Now we know that the first term here, is A and D is the common difference. Okay, we can call this common difference is D, and the nth term is given by the expression Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. Now this given expression helps us to find for the first term the common difference and the nth term of any arithmetic progression. Right, so let's take a look at examples. If we have the set 11 minus 1 minus 13 minus 25, and we are to find the common difference D, which is known to us. So what we are going to do is that we know that the common difference is given to be the difference between the second term and the first term, and the difference between the third term and the second term. So in this our expression, let's see, we have this is the first term, and this is the second term, and this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Okay, so let's go ahead and substitute into this expression. So we know that the second term is minus 1 and the first term is 11. So go ahead. In this, the third term is negative 13 and the second term is minus 1. So this will be minus 1. So moving on, this is going to give us minus 1 minus 11 is minus 12. And in this case, we are going to have minus 13 plus 1. And so this will give us minus 12 as well. Okay, so we can say therefore the common difference between the term is minus 12. Okay, now let's take a look at another question. The 18th term of an AP is 25. Find its first term if its common difference is 2. Recall that the nth term of an AP is given to be A plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now in this case, we have T of 18 given to be 25, and the common difference D is given to be 2, but the first term A is what we are to find. So let's substitute into this expression. So this will become T18 equals to A plus the n is 18 minus 1 times 2, which is a common difference. The value of T18 is given to be 25. So this will be 25 equals to A plus 17 times 2. And so this will be 25 equals to A plus 34. Solving for A, we are going to have A equals to 25 minus 34, and this will give us minus 9. Okay, so we can say that therefore the first term is given to be minus 9, right? Okay. Now let's see if we can generate the other term of the sequence. So we know that the first term has been given to be negative 9. So let's try and see if we can generate the other term. The common difference here is 2. D is given to be 2, positive 2. So we know that the next term should be added by 2. So this will be minus 9 plus 2, which will give us minus will give us minus 7. Okay, right? So in this case, it means that if the first term is negative 9, the second term will give us minus 7, and minus 7 plus 2 will give us minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 will give us minus 3, and minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1, and we continue. So we have able to generate the first 5 terms of this sequence, right? Okay, let's also take a look at another question. If we are to find the nth term of a given AP arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have here, find the nth term of AP. The progression given is 5, 8, 11, and it goes on. So first we need to note that the nth term is given to be A plus into bracket n minus 1 times d. Now the common difference d is gonna give us t2 minus t1, and in our case t2 is 8, so we're gonna have 8, and t1 is 5, so this will be minus 5, and 8 minus 5 will give us 3. Okay, now the first term A is already given in a sequence, which is 5, so we are to find the nth term. In this case, we are going to have Tn equals to the first term, which is 5, plus into bracket n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify this. This will be 5 plus, expanding the bracket, this will be 3n minus 3. Grouping like terms, we are going to have Tn equals to 5 minus 3 plus 3n. And so this will be Tn equals to 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So in other words, we can say that the nth term will be 3n plus 2 for this expression. Okay, so the given nth term is, okay, so the nth term here is given to be Tn equals to 3n plus 2. So this is how to find the nth term. Join me in the next section where I will be taking you through word problems in arithmetic progression. I hope to see you there. Thank you.